First of all, you need some potatoes. After boiling the potato, you need to peel out the outer cover of potato and smash it like this. Some tomatoes, some onions and some chili. After that, what you need to do is you need to chop the onion, tomato and chili into small pieces. Now you need some baking powder, little amount of rice flour. Now you need to add some onions. Seems like this. What we need to do is we need to add some salt which we have made ready before. Amount of turmeric powder and some chili powder. For mixing, it seems like this. I have added some water in it and mixed the flour and the required ingredients. You need to put some oil in the pan and make the pan ready to fry the things which we have mixed. In 3 pieces of pakora to get ready at a time. I guess one more, I can add one more. It looks really crispy and delicious, right? Now our pakora is ready to serve or eat. After the oil gets hot, you need to fry the tomatoes like this. Now after boiling the tomato for 5 minutes, you need to separate the soup in a different bowl. Now after boiling the tomato, you need to separate. Now the sauce and the pakora is ready to serve or eat at house. It is really delicious and tasty. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel.